In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pin tabs in Microsoft Edge in just a few seconds. This is a super simple trick, but it can make a huge difference if you keep important websites open all the time, like email, work tools, dashboards, social media, or your favorite news pages. Pinning a tab helps keep your browser clean, organized, and easier to manage, especially if you always use the same site every day. If this video helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick Microsoft Edge tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge and make sure the tab you want to pin is already open. This can be any web page you use often. It might be a website you check every morning, a project page, or a tool you need throughout the day. Once the tab is open, go to the tab itself at the top of the browser. Now simply right-click the Open tab. As soon as you do that, a menu will appear with several options. From that menu, look for the option that says Pin tab. Click Pin tab, and Microsoft Edge will instantly pin it to the left side of your tab bar. You'll notice the tab becomes smaller, more compact, and easier to keep track of. That's because pinned tabs are designed to stay out of the way while still giving you quick access to your favorite websites. If you want to unpin the tab later, just right-click the pinned tab again and choose Unpin tab. It works the same way and gives you full control over your browser setup. This is especially useful if you want to keep your most important pages open without accidentally closing them or losing them among too many tabs. It also makes it easier to open Microsoft Edge each day and jump straight back into your workflow. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to pin tabs in Microsoft Edge using the simplest method possible. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tech tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.